this is Fiona. Welcome back to my channel, and I'm back with another notebook today. This is my March notebook. If you've been following my channel, I've been bringing out a new notebook every month, and so far we've got January and February. I haven't got the February one in here, but this was the January one, and we made this little cover to keep our traveller's notebook sized ones in, and I've got a video of that, so I'll link that below if you're interested. So this month there are a couple of changes to how I've done the kit. Firstly, I've just brought the actual notebook out in traveller's notebook size, and that's because it seems to be the most popular size. But I have brought out two kits. You still have the actual notebook kit in traveller's notebook size, plus you get a sheet of these pretty labels and journal cards, which I'll show you it all later. But then I've also brought out a separate kit, which I'll show you, which is full pages. So you can do whatever you like with those full pages, whether you want to make an A5 notebook or journal with those. So this is the actual notebook. If you print it out as a notebook and you print out all of the pages, so I'll just flip through, and I haven't bound mine together because I'm actually going to do something a little bit different with mine this month. So I'll tell you about that in a minute. So I'll just flip through how I've printed this one out. So this is the cover, and the designs this month are all you know, some beautiful sort of floral elements, plus lots of these beautiful labels, sort of a lot of ornate type designs, but also I've mixed it up with vintage. So I wanted it to sort of be kind of a bit more modern and ornate, but mixed with vintage, and I've tried to keep the colours fairly soft, and the pages are kind of a bit more like collage sheet style. So it's so versatile. There's so many different things that you can do with this type of kit, and I've got some little words here and there. And it's actually called My Happy Place. That's what it's called this month. So I've got some, you know, little verses like this one, or quotes, and it says, "If you want to be happy, be," and that's by Leo Tolstoy. And I've printed this one out with the pattern paper on this blue and yellow pattern paper on the inside. But there's 3 or 4 different pattern papers, so you can print any of them on the back, or you can print, you know, one of the other pages on the back. So however, whatever order you want to print them, and then you get a lined page, and you get a dotted page. So I've just printed the lined paper and dotted papers onto the back of mine, and I'll just flip through it quickly. We've got that page there. Then we've got this beautiful pink and cream pattern there, which I really love. We've got this page here. This one says, "Never apologise for your dreams." And this one So the way I've printed it with the dots or lines on the back, it just alternates between either a dot grid page or a lined page and a patterned page. And all of the Traveller's Notebook size ones have this a border at the top and the bottom. But the full size kit that I'll show you in a minute doesn't have this border. That one and this one. And I've put this one in the centre. And then we've got the other side of the pages. We've got this one. And this one. One and that one. So that, and that's the back. So that is the notebook. If you print out all the pages and turn it into a notebook. However, I haven't bound it because I'm going to turn mine into more of a journal. So I'm going to turn it into a Traveller's Notebook journal this time. So that's another option, and I think it'll make a really beautiful journal. And then you've got all your little elements you can add here. And I will be bringing out further ephemera kits with these designs that you can use in your journals. So I think I'm going to film this one. So we're going to go through and make the Traveller's Notebook journal together with this one. And so the other kit is the full-size pages. So I'll just run through these. And this printable kit does not have the lined pages. So rather than a notebook, it's meant for making a journal. And I'll just run through the pages. And I haven't printed on the back because I'm thinking I want to use these in my journal, some of these for doing collage and things like that. So that's one page. So they're the same pages, just full size. And that's that one. Then we've got this one. And this one. And I'll put the links below to these kits if you're interested. They are really pretty and so versatile. I mean, you can just cut out the individual elements if you want to make journaling cards. Some of the strips like this, you could cut up and create a belly band or something like that. You can make pockets. This one would make a cute little journaling card here, or pocket. And I just love this style. I think I'm going to do a lot more in this collagey sort of style, combining vintage with floral, because I just really love it. And these two pages here are from my antique lace printables. So I've added those so that you can print these onto the back if you want to. So there's that one, and then there's that one. And the lace is just sort of faded in the background. Hopefully you can see it. So that's those two. And then you also get your little, oh, and you do get all of the floral papers too, but I've only printed one of those out. And you get your little sheet of ephemera there. So that's my new notebook or printable kits for March. I hope you like them. And I think I'll also put up a listing for this one to be printed. I can print it and send it out to you. Just keep in mind that it's, you know, it's obviously not going to be as cheap because I print them myself and make them myself, so I have to charge for the cost of my paper, my ink, and postage and things like that. So, but yeah, there will be a listing for this, the notebook to be printed out and sent to you. Okay, so I hope you like that one. And thanks very much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.